Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a Bosch dishwasher flashing error 92 in 2025 models, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but it's often something you can fix yourself with a few simple steps. Let's dive in and get your dishwasher running smoothly again. First off, what does error 92 mean? In Bosch dishwashers, especially the 2025 series, this code typically indicates a problem with the water intake system. It could be related to low water pressure, a blocked inlet, or even a faulty sensor. Don't panic. This isn't always a major issue, and we'll troubleshoot it step by step. Start by checking the basics. Ensure that your home's water supply is turned on and that the pressure is adequate. Sometimes, a simple kink in the inlet hose can cause this error. Unplug your dishwasher, locate the hose at the back, and make sure it's straight and not bent. While you're at it, inspect for any debris or blockages in the filter or inlet valve. Next, try resetting the machine. Turn off the dishwasher at the circuit breaker for about 5 minutes, then turn it back on and run a test cycle. If the error persists, it might be time to clean the filter thoroughly. Remove it from the bottom of the unit, rinse it under warm water, and reinstall it. Remember, always wear gloves and unplug the device for safety. If these steps don't resolve the issue, the problem could be with the water inlet valve or a sensor malfunction. In that case, you might need to call a professional technician, especially if your dishwasher is under warranty. Bosch offers great customer support, so check their website for troubleshooting guides or service centers. To prevent error 92 in the future, regularly maintain your dishwasher by cleaning the filter monthly and ensuring proper water flow. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.